Can I hold it?
Be careful, please.
Oh no, I didn't mean to. You broke it.
I'm really sorry.
Hello, ducks. Here's some bread for you. Today we're going shopping.
Don't forget your shoes and hat, Lily.
I'm ready. Let's go. The sun feels so nice today. I wonder what fun things we'll find today. Hello there. You're so cute. Wow, look at all the fruits and toys. I'll take these apples and oranges. Oh, I love this doll. Can I have a candy, Mom?
Of course. Here it is.
Look, Mom, a park. Can we play for a little while?
Sure, just for a bit.
Whee! This is so much fun! Hello, ducks. Here's some bread for you. Today was the best shopping adventure ever.
I'm glad you had fun, sweetie.
Look at all the things we got, Mom.
Wow, you picked some really nice things.
Let's eat some fruit before dinner.
Great idea, Lily.
Yum! These apples are so sweet.
I knew you'd love them.
I had so much fun today.
I'm glad we had this adventure together.
Let's have a tea party, Dolly.
Can I have a cup of tea too?
Of course, Mom. Mom, the sky looks magical.
It's beautiful, just like today.
Hi, Lily. I brought a little surprise for you.
Wow, thank you. It's a puzzle. I love it.
What a perfect gift.
Let's build it right now.
All right, let's see what the picture will be.
This piece doesn't fit.
Try turning it around, sweetie.
It's too hard. I can't do it.
Don't give up. Let's try together.
It fits. Look, Mom.
You did it. I'm proud of you.
Wow, it's a beautiful park picture.
Just like the one we visited today.
Today was so special, Mom.
What made it special?
Because I spent it with you.
You don't always need big adventures to be happy.
Just little ones?
Yes, little ones together.
I'm tired now, Mom.
It was a big day for you.
Can we go shopping again sometime?
Of course, sweetie.
Today was the best day ever.
Good night, my little adventurer.
Good morning! I want to play with my new doll.
Hi, Lily. Can I see your new doll?
Okay.
Can I hold it?
Be careful, please.
Oh no, I didn't mean to. You broke it.
I'm really sorry.
Accidents happen, Lily. What matters is how we handle them.
He didn't do it on purpose. It's okay. We can fix it together. I'll help. Let's glue it carefully.
It looks good again.
Even better. Let's play tea party together.
Yes.
That's my kind girl.
Sharing is more fun than playing alone.